This video is about the Owon DS7102V. And the issue is these little rotary encoders that get flaky. I watched a couple other videos about capacitors or about replacing them, and I figured I'd try something lazy, and so I bought some DeoxIT with a little needle, the red DeoxIT D100L, and I thought maybe if I could get some DeoxIT in it, maybe that would fix it. Okay, this is my Owon scope. You can see the model number right here. I had a problem with it with all these controls that are controlled by these. They got really squirrely. I looked on YouTube and other people had the same problems. And mine were really bad. If you turn them a little bit, they would jump, and sometimes the trace would go off the screen. So anyway, this is after I attempted to fix it with repeated application of DeoxIT, both the red and the green for the last one, just to give it a little bit of lubrication. But as it is now, they're working. I don't know how long it'll work, but it seemed easier than taking it apart and replacing all these encoders or putting capacitors on the circuit board to quiet down some of the noise from them. So far it's working. We'll have to check a little while later, and hopefully for years to come it'll last. If not, I'll have to tear it apart and replace the board or replace all the encoders. And hopefully they'll last if I replace them.